This is a question by our guest quiz master Shlok. So let's just unmute him.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, Shlok, you're audible, and go ahead, Shlok, and ask the question away.
Hello everyone, I'm Shlok Venkatraman from Mumbai, studying in class 4 Trinity International School. Connect all these elements to a particular theme. Connect this wizard of something to this famous Bollywood movie and the other elements.
Right. Shlok, we've gotten a lot of answers. So let me invite Varun Anand to answer this for you.
Sir, answer is football. I love hockey, sir. My mother helped me. So this Chakdi, this movie is about hockey. Then that emblem you see there, that chakra there. So that is, it's like a hockey. It's like a hockey stick. So it also resembles India's.
Ashoka Chakra.
Yeah. It's Shakti India, that's the national game, and then that green thing you see there is the board of like that ground of hockey. Shindy means hockey, and that's all. That's all I understood.
And that is Major Dhyanchand, who is a famous wizard in hockey. And these are the 3 cards of hockey.
Oh.
And I must say that's a beautiful.
Congratulations.
That's a beautifully crafted question from Shlok, and equally well answered from the VV brothers, as they call themselves on chat. We can see them high-fiving, and so very well answered. Thank you, Shlok.
Congratulations on the 50th edition of the Q-Shala Family Quiz.
Thank you so much, Shlok. And and we have a special announcement. I would request Raghav sir to go ahead and do the honors.
Oh, yes. So Shlok here has been one of those kids who's been extremely sincere. And, we in Q-Shala have a variety of quizzes and assignments as our programs. And every assignment and questions and quizzes that somebody participates in, they get a walnut as a prize, walnut as points. Now, Shlok has the highest number of points, walnut points, according to our database. And for that, Shlok, you're getting, for everybody who gets the certain benchmark of walnuts, you get yourself a prize. So we thought Shlok had won that prize, and we wanted to congratulate Shlok with that prize for having the tenacity and the hard work to build so many of our assignments and quizzes and earn those walnuts over a period of time. So congratulations, Shlok, for winning it, and for all the rest in the family quiz. So if you are regular on attempting all the assignments and quizzes, you get yourself a prize. We are also revamped our website with new quizzes, and you will get your leaderboard of points now. So I'm just trying to run one such assignment that Shlok had done. He had written this very heartening letter to his family about during the lockdown, and a lot of his assignments are what the team actually put together. So I'm just trying to run one from.
Hi everyone. Thank you for choosing me as the winner of this award. I consider myself very fortunate for having so many well-wishers who have always supported me. A heartfelt thanks to each one of them. My teacher has always taught me, if you want to be the best, think 3 steps ahead. Today, she will be so proud of me. I will forever remain grateful to her for her guidance and support. I just wish to add that it took me tremendous efforts for making this possible.
So that is Shlok for you, and congratulations, Shlok.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Shlok, go on.
entertaining and exciting our century with fabulous sports and stupendous sixes. Here's to a wonderful century and more. Kudos to Team Q Shala. And may there be such fantastic rounds and exciting questions. I have been attending the Q Shala family quiz from the start. Thank you, sir.
Oh, Shlok, thank you. Thank you for that. That warms our heart. And for all the families and kids who have been part of the family quiz, this is why we turn up every week for bringing this to you. Thank you so much, and wishing you, and because of all of you, I think we are on our way for a century. Thank you, Shlok. And with that,
Thanks for the gift.
best wishes. And I think Shlok has gotten his gift for the highest number of walnuts that he has collected. And over to all of you, go ahead, participate in more quizzes on our platform, and you stand to win that gift that Shlok has just opened up. I think that's a very, very fancy drone that he has gotten. So that's that. So wishing you all the best.
So for this question that we have a Women's Day special question. And let me say, right, so this person that we have here who's going to be asking this question is one of our mentors. More importantly, one of the inspirations behind why my Quizmaster Raghav has taken the pursuit of quizzing as he has. Might I invite Swaranlata ma'am, one of our mentors, one of our well-wishers, who's been attending every family quiz, especially when it is 3 editions, now 2. So ma'am, can I have you to ask this question that we have for all the family members today?
Thank you, Sachin. Good afternoon to all of you. And congratulations to the Q Shala team, Raghav, Sachin, Vaishnavi, and all the others.
Thank you so
And in
much.
spite of the exams going on, I see so many children are participating because actually annual exams are going on now. And it's really an honor to be here with you all today. I'm waiting for the century, and I hope I'll be a part of it too. And God bless all of you. I will come to the question. What you have to do is connect all the pictures that you see here. You see big feet, you see waterfalls, you can see some tasty dishes. So you have to connect all the pictures that you see here. You can even see a 50 rupee note.
Raghav, are we getting
Right.
a
Are you
response?
getting the answers, Raghav?
Yes, ma'am. So we have Abhilash. Let's unmute Abhilash to answer this. Abhilash Kanive.
The answer is Karnataka.
Oh, that's right. And how did you figure that out, Abhilash? Congratulations. And tell us how you figured
All
it
the
out.
items are from Karnataka. This thing, one is jog balls, one is the item, food item, dosa, and all those things are from Karnataka.
That's great. Could
And the
you,
Mysore, this thing, Ravana, this thing is there.
yeah?
Dasra.
Okay.
So seeing all this settled, it's Karnataka.
Okay. So actually, you can see the Gomuteshwara. It's actually a statue of Bahubali. It's in Shravanabelagola, and it's a monolithic. That means it's made of only one stone, and it's around 18 meters high. Then you can see the Murudreshwara, which is the second tallest Shiva statue. And what we are seeing there is the top view. And then, of course, we can see the Jog Falls, the three falls. That is
Yeah,
Raja, Roarer, and Rocket, if I'm not mistaken. They're coming down from the river Sharavati. Am I right?
Absolutely correct.
And then you have the Jolad Roti, and then you have got that Ragi Mudde, and then you've got the Benny Dose, and then of course you've got that luxury train, the golden chariot, that takes you throughout Karnataka in the lap of luxury, and it shows you all the top spots of Karnataka. I think it's 6 days and 7 nights tour by KSTDC and in collaboration with IRCTC. And then of course you can see sandalwood, which is synonymous with Karnataka, sandalwood industry. And then that stone over there, which is actually from the movie Sholay, that Kitne Aadmi The, that scene. That stone on top, the stone that you could see there, I think it's Ramnagar, if I'm not mistaken, which is in Karnataka. And then you've got the dance form, the folk dance form of Karnataka. I think it's called the Kamsali, am I pronouncing it right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. And then you got that, the last one, which I also mistook for the Dasara celebrations, actually the leather, I believe it's a leather puppet show. And it's called Gombayata. Togalu Gombayata, am I right?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. And again, God bless all of you. And hope to be there in your 100th and many more.
Thank you so much, Swarnalata ma'am. And just for all of you on the family quiz, Swarnalata ma'am was one of our teachers from school, and she, was a bedrock of support for all of us who are interested in quizzing. Ma'am used to ask us questions and also, be part of it. Son Vignesh was part of our team when we were as ICSE, we were part of this ICSE school quiz, and we came runners up in the national one. So all of that. So thank you so much for all that support over the years, ma'am. And very heartening to have ma'am be part of us as a student and be part of that initiative so many years later. That's Swarnalata ma'am, who's principal of V.S. Mutha Girls School in Chennai. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sachin, Raghav, and Vaishnavi. And God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, Swarnalata ma'am.
That's the answer. Well done. So piano is what we're looking for. And with the answer being piano, we have with us a musical celebrity guest here, Nanika, who will play a small rendition. Here goes, Nanika. Let's unmute Nanika. And very excited to hear her play her keyboard. Go on, Nanika.
Hello everyone, so today I'll be playing Gramophone Waltz by Eugen Toga.
Right, Nanika, this is fantastic. Thank you so much. We truly enjoyed it, and I want to see so many people here. Future Mozart is what Swarnalata ma'am says. Kaden says, awesome, well played, wonderful. We have very well played, Nanika. So glad to have you, played for the 50th edition of the quiz. Wonderful. So we also have Bhavana who says, Nanika plays awesome music. So congratulations. And for us, it's always heartening to have our family quiz members use the platform to really showcase their skills and many more such wonderful renditions, Nanika. Congratulations.
Celebrity guest quiz master, can I request Bhavna K to be unmuted? Bhavna, you are going to be asking the next question. Are you online? Have you switched on your camera? Are you available?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Okay, the next question appearing on your screen now, and Bhavna is going to be asking it for everybody. Over to you, Bhavna.
So the next question. The Indian Army Forces comprises of people of many ranks. Who is its current commander-in-chief? Option A, Nirmala Sitharaman. Option B, Narendra Modi. Option C, Rajnath Singh. Option D, Ramnath Kovind.
These are the four options that we have that our celebrity guest quiz master Bhavna has asked. Who is the current commander-in-chief of the Indian Armed Forces? Nirmala Sitharaman, Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh, or Ramnath Kovind? And we will find out who has got the right answer. And 47 of you have gotten this right. This is indeed Ramnath Kovind. Let's go to the leaderboard, which Bhavna will be reading out for us.
First place is taken by Ritvik Shaw, followed by Nilesh Mukund, Swayam Satish, Ajay, and Arya. Combo breaker. 4 players just dropped their answers of 4.
Thank you so much, Bhavna. You were a fantastic quiz master for us.
We'd also like to give a shout out to one of our most regular Q-Shala Adda members, Janvi. So let's just unmute Janvi.
Absolutely. So just unmuting Janvi. Just give us a second.
Hi.
Yeah. So talking about artists and, every week we discuss about famous paintings, and we thought we should definitely learn a little bit about art from Janvi. And go ahead, Janvi. Tell us about these different styles of paintings that we have here.
Yes, ma'am. So the first one is doodling of monster balloons, and the second one is stroke painting, and the third one is a rooster done with oil pastels. So coming to the doodle, which is invented by a mathematician called Stanislaw Ulam. He developed this when he was in a boarding presentation at a mathematics conference. And then we have the stroke painting. One stroke painting is a popular and interesting decorative painting technique where double and multi-loading is used to achieve highlights, shadows, and color changes in one stroke. And then oil pastels was also invented by a person called Henry Sennelier. Thank you.
We should definitely give a platform to Janvi to showcase her artwork.